How to check people who unfollowed you on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Instagram does not send any alert when someone unfollows you on Instagram, but there are a few ways to find out. So you can go ahead and firstly do a manual check. So simply go to your profile and tap on the followers option. Now you can use the search bar there to type their username. And if their name does not appear, they've unfollowed you or deleted their account. You can also try to double check by visiting their profile and see if the follow back button appears. Next, if you follow someone but that don't follow you back, then you can go to following tab on your profile and search for their name. Now, open their profile and if you see the follow back option, it means that they don't follow you. So these were a few ways on how you can check people who unfollowed you on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.